Hi everyone, honoring this last pitch. My name is Yuan and I'm the CEO of WriteGPT, the brainchild between UX and AI, helping professionals to be more productive in less time. Okay, globally, apparently, we are drowning into an abundance of tools and writing tasks, whether we are talking about emails, presentations, and other things. These are embedded in our day-to-day life, and apparently, we are lost a ton of time on them. We as knowledge workers are losing 3 hours per day on this type of task, basically meta work, work about work. And we are 1 billion knowledge workers today. So there are around 3 billion hours lost per day. And unfortunately, that's 350,000 years lost every day. That's more than the inception of Homo sapiens. But what about us? Because apparently there is we can solve all the things and we can get rid of the emails or other stuff, but we can surely make them greater and finish them faster. What we do with WriteGPT is basically this. It's an advanced productivity and web extension that helps you write, adapt, summarize, memorize, and harness any digital task or document anywhere on the internet with the lowest friction. How we do this is like this. It's omnipresent. It's basically effortlessly integrated in your browser. So basically you have a machine, a very powerful machine at your fingertips available on any website. Secondly, it knows your context and personalization. So basically, unlike ChatGPT, we help you fine-tune your own model, employ variables, access a wide range of prompts, of curated prompts, and basically allow you to reference and contextualize everything. Thirdly is the summary and memory. Basically, we are helping people to instantly summarize any type of document, video, or even article, and that happens in seconds. Then we can help you, and we can help you in order to store it into a digital memory that you can also reference and repurpose anytime you want for any type of future endeavor task. About us and about our journey, we gained more than 10,000 active users since our launch. We are targeting mostly knowledge workers, a mass market of knowledge workers and SMEs. We are at the epicenter of 2 huge markets, basically productivity software and generative AI, targeting mostly sales and marketing functions. We are also in a big market where stuff are going crazy. And apparently, I don't want to rush you, but our closest competitor, Merlin, has recently raised $2 million in the last 2 months. We have 2 things, basically. We know how to grow a scalable business. Our CTO spent more than 10 years in growing and building and designing blockchain architectures. And we also know how to grow a profitable business and a global product. Our CMO has worked more than 5 years in growing web extension on one of the biggest players in the VPN industry.
Over.
And that's us.
Thank you. Round of applause. Judges, the last 5 minutes of question. Microphone is for you.
What's the technology behind it? What you added to it, and how is it to replicate it?
Well, we are using multiple technologies. So for example, we use ChatGPT and GPT technologies for content creation. We also use LangChain for sort of automation, for sort of summaries over there, and also Pinecode for storing this vectorial database in order to have this sort of infinite memory around your data you're saving and into this digital brain that we are building. And we are looking to adapt and to integrate multiple LLMs in order to be a great reseller and offering better experience for all this.
What's your differentiator from the competitor you mentioned that raised?
Can you repeat the question, please?
What's your differentiator from your competitor that raised 2 million?
What's the evaluation of our competitors?
Differentiator.
I didn't understand.
The
difference. Okay, so I'd say that the biggest difference right now is the context enhancement. So for example, we allow users and businesses to adapt their knowledge base into our system, and instead of copy-pasting everything on ChatGPT or on other stuff, you can, at your fingertips, business data about your business that you can easily reference in our system. So this is what we do. We combine personalization that you don't have to input on and on. And that's the biggest stuff, combining with the summarization and digital brain that we are building into this memory.
It was unclear to me if your product is launched
It was launched on March.
in March.
Yeah, in March.
And do you have any info about the traction?
Yeah, so we have around 12,000 active users that are intensively using our tool. There are
Intensively
around,
means daily, weekly, monthly?
they are monthly, and there are around 5,000 requests made each day to our system. So
Alright.
yeah, obviously there are some that are more intensively using, and there are some using only on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis.
And do you know more about the specific use cases that your product is used for?
Sure. So I'd say that the biggest use cases that we are operating in are the marketing ones and the sales ones, because we allow users to basically store any information in order to create more personalized content over there. But we are looking to expand this quite a lot.
So that's email and?
To do the emails, to do the posts, to do the content strategy, to do a lot of things. So basically, one of the recent popular use cases that we find out is basically one user from doing product basically added his customer interviews, and based on that, they made a whole brainstorming with ChatGPT doing this. So basically, they are inputting information, they find out like sales reports or customer interviews, and it's both on the side of ideation and creation and content consumption. Everything related to this.
Got it. Is there a specific industry where you see your product being used more?
I'd say that, yeah, in the marketing, basically, and in the sales one, I'd say, well, in the past 3 months...
A vertical.
Sorry?
A vertical, like an industry, not a job function.
A vertical of the industry?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Like automotive, advertising.
Yeah, I'd say that the advertising one, and well, in the past months we have done a lot of interviews with startups and basically marketing agencies, and they seem the most likely to use our product as we combine research functionalities with creation functionalities. And basically salespeople, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, and these people are the most one using our product.
And on the back end, you manage using ChatGPT. Do you do any, let's say, creative integration of different GPT-like services for different tasks?
Yeah, we are looking to integrate other LLMs like Anthropic or others, and we are looking basically to excel the experience over there. In the couple of months, we will use LangChain in order to build multi-agents. So basically creating multi-agents for several tasks and create flows in order to do this. So one agent would scrape a LinkedIn profile, the other will update it to our email campaign, the other will send it, and so on. So in the foreseeable future, we are looking to make most of the integration with other tools in order to operate it from a single command bar accessible from any website, and having as much technology, basically taking the hard stuff from the AI and making it desirable and usable for the end user.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for your question. Thanks for the judges.